Halloween 2015. This is my setup. We got everything up this year. We start off with the corner property, an 18-foot ghost to welcome everybody. And we'll go down this side first, and we'll take a look. You can see some of the stuff. There's a graveyard there. See some of the scenes. And then we have a bunch of blow-ups along this side, as you can see. And there's my daughter coming through the pet cemetery.
That's where you're scared. That one that jumps out.
Okay, so that's this side of the house. With the blow-ups. And then we'll walk back and we'll go take a look at the other side of the house, and you can see the front too, and then we'll go through everything. Okay, you can see a little bit better now, maybe the Mickey Mouse scene. Here's a close-up on my 18-foot ghost. And then we can go down this side. We can see I have various blow-ups around here. I have an entrance there, the back entrance.
You outdid yourself again.
Well, next year might not happen.
Oh, why?
Because I have bar mitzvah coming up.
Oh, boy. Bar mitzvah. Well, you outdid yourself.
Thank you.
Kudos. Can't wait for Christmas.
Yeah, get nothing then. We're going, so sorry for the interruptions. This is the back of the graveyard entrance. As you can see, I have blow-ups all along here. And the guy popping out, coming up to say hello. Get a better look at this guy coming up here. Say hello. Well, he's going back in again. We'll wait for this second. There's my Happy Halloween balloon ready to take off with Frankie and Count Dracula. He's about 12 feet high. Oh, here comes my ghost and the coachman to say hello to the trick-or-treaters. Those are basically all the blow-ups on the outside of the house. If you look closely, you can see the lights along the ground. I will continue this with part 2 after. Back entrance to the graveyard. That's the main graveyard. People there, not the pet one. You can take a walk around the property to the pet one and go through there. Pretty elaborate Mickey Minnie scene. Alright, so here we are at our pet graveyard, which is basically my son's doing. And you can see the different tombstones and everything. Looks like we got something going on over there, a little fog action. We'll see what happens. Alright, so what do we have here? We got a bunch of gravestones, the teeny ones because it is pet. And we have some few surprises, like the spider that jumps out at you. We have a zombie eating his hand, or a hand I should say. And then we have Rosemary here, who likes brains. And she'll eat, and her eyes light up. And we have Pumpkin Meister here coming up. ice at his feet. And he follows. And then from here, we go into our next feature, which is the witch's tent. And we have a bunch of witches in here. We do things like she'll do her little thing. This one has a cauldron that bubbles and stirs. I guess she's cooking up dinner. And of course, what would be, we have a black cat next to the cauldron. And another cat here. What would be witches without the cat? And then we have another witch here.
Another foolish child with trespass on this wicked place. Here, now it spells, remove that smile from your pretty face. Puzzles and haggardash and eyes of a crow. All powers are mine now, and all that you know.
And this is our witch's tent, and we do have a hanging cauldron dance and lighten some atmosphere. We come out, and we get a look at the spider scene this year. And we got some spiders on the ground, and then we got all kinds of spiders on a web, which you can't see too well, but there's a web there. And for the little kids, if we get too scared, we have our Mickey Mouse scene. We got that all in there, and that's the Mickey Mouse scene. On this side, we have the big cemetery with a flying ghost, a flying reaper. And we come in here into the cemetery. With some people just lounging out. Oh, looks like someone's here to warn us about something. Let's see what he has to say.
Tortured souls that haunt this place have been waiting for someone like you to join us.
Well, that's a pretty bad warning. We got a bunch of other graves. There's Dracula's grave and our little reaper back there, and a pirate there. And we got looks like we got a grave in progress. Another reaper here, and this just leads out to where we were before, and we got a greeter on this side too who warns people not to come in. We should start to work. And as you see, we got the blow-ups again. So this is this side of the house.